What if stress wasn't your enemy, but your ally? Most of us see stress as something to avoid, but new research shows that changing how you think about stress can actually make you healthier and more resilient. Let's explore how you can make stress your friend, not your foe. 1. Change your mindset about stress. When you feel stressed, your body is getting ready to help you rise to a challenge. Instead of thinking stress is bad for me, try telling yourself, my body is giving me energy to handle this. Studies show that people who view stress as helpful rather than harmful are less likely to experience its negative effects on health and well-being. 2. Use stress as motivation. Stress often means you care about something important, like a project, a relationship, or a goal. Ask yourself, what is this stress trying to tell me? Let it motivate you to take action, solve problems, or reach out for support. 3. Connect with others. Stress can make you feel isolated, but it's also a signal to connect. Call a friend, talk to a coworker, or spend time with family. Social support not only reduces stress, it turns it into an opportunity for deeper connection. 4. Practice self-compassion. When stress hits, treat yourself with kindness. Instead of criticizing yourself for feeling stressed, remind yourself, it's okay to feel this way. I'm doing my best. Self-compassion helps you bounce back faster and handle challenges with more strength. 5. Use stress to grow. Every stressful experience is a chance to learn and grow. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I become stronger? Over time, you'll build resilience and confidence to handle whatever comes your way. Next time you feel stressed, remember, you can choose to see stress as a friend. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it help you grow. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips on turning stress into strength. Take care of yourself, and see you in the next.